Every missed call in your dental clinic is a lost patient. And the worst part, most clinics don't even realize how much revenue they're losing because of it. A patient calls, nobody answers, they hang up, then they call another clinic. And just like that, you lose a potential appointment, a potential treatment, and potentially thousands of dollars in lifetime patient value. The scary part, this happens every single day. Not because you're providing bad service, not because your team doesn't care, but because manual systems have limits. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an automated booking system that works 24/7. A system that responds instantly, books appointments automatically, follows up with patients, and even recovers missed calls. The best part, you can set up the foundation in less than 10 minutes. Let's get started. Before we talk about the solution, let's talk about the real problem. Most dental clinics still rely heavily on staff to manage communication, and there's nothing wrong with having great staff. The problem is, humans get busy. Phones ring while someone is helping a patient. Front desk staff are checking patients in. Insurance information needs verification. Messages are arriving from different channels. Facebook, Instagram, website forms, SMS, WhatsApp, phone calls, and suddenly, communication becomes chaos. Now imagine a patient trying to book an appointment. They call during lunch, nobody answers, they send a message, the reply comes 3 hours later. By then, they've already booked somewhere else. That is revenue walking out the door, not because of treatment quality, but because of response speed. Today's patients expect instant communication. If Amazon can respond instantly, if food delivery apps respond instantly, patients now expect the same experience from healthcare providers. Speed has become a competitive advantage, and clinics that respond first often win the patient. That's why automation matters, not to replace your team, but to support your team, to make sure no opportunity gets missed. The first thing you need is a central communication system. Think of it as your clinic's command center. Instead of checking multiple apps all day, everything comes into one place. Phone calls, text messages, website inquiries, Facebook messages, Google business messages, WhatsApp conversations, everything. One dashboard, one inbox, one workflow. This immediately reduces confusion because when communication is scattered, things get missed. And when things get missed, patients disappear. A central system gives visibility, it gives accountability, and most importantly, it gives control. Now everyone knows exactly what's happening. No guessing, no searching, no missed conversations. Next, you need instant response automation. Here's a simple question. How quickly should a clinic respond to a patient inquiry? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? 1 hour? The answer is immediately, because the moment someone reaches out, their attention is highest. They're actively looking for help. They're actively searching for a provider. And if you respond quickly, you dramatically increase your chances of booking them. That's why every call, text, form submission, or inquiry should trigger an instant response. Something simple, something professional, something reassuring. For example, thank you for contacting our clinic. We received your message and will assist you shortly. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, please select one of the available options below. Simple, professional, effective. Patients feel acknowledged, and acknowledged patients stay engaged. Now let's make that automation smarter. Don't just send a response, guide the patient. Every extra step creates friction, and friction kills conversions. Instead of asking patients to wait, give them immediate booking options. Imagine this, a patient sends a message. Within seconds, they receive available services. Teeth cleaning, consultation, dental implants, cosmetic treatment, emergency appointment. They select a service. Available time slots appear. They choose a time. Done. No phone tag, no waiting, no back and forth messages. The easier you make booking, the more bookings you get. It's that simple. Now, let's connect the calendar. This is where the magic happens. Many clinics still schedule appointments manually. Someone receives a message, someone checks availability, someone updates the calendar, someone confirms the booking. It's a lot of unnecessary work. Instead, connect your booking system directly to your calendar. Now, when a patient selects a time, the appointment is automatically reserved. The slot becomes unavailable to others. Confirmation is sent instantly. Everything updates in real time. No double bookings, no scheduling conflicts, no confusion, and no wasted administrative time. Automation handles it all. Now, let's talk about the feature that delivers some of the highest ROI. Missed call automation. This single feature can recover patients who would otherwise disappear forever. Think about it. Someone calls your clinic. Nobody answers. Normally, that opportunity is gone. But with missed call automation, the system immediately sends a text message. Something like, "Sorry we missed your call. How can we help you today? Reply here or book an appointment using the link below." Now the conversation continues. The patient stays engaged, and your clinic gets a second chance. Many clinics recover dozens of appointments every month from this one automation alone. That's why missed call, text back systems have become one of the most valuable tools in modern patient acquisition. Next, confirmation and reminder automation. A booking isn't truly complete until the patient shows up. And one of the biggest problems clinics face is no-shows. Patients forget, schedules change, life gets busy. That's why every appointment should trigger automatic confirmations and reminders. Immediately after booking, send confirmation. One day before, send reminder. A few hours before, send another reminder. Simple, consistent, automated. This reduces no-shows, improves attendance, and keeps schedules full. A full schedule means higher revenue, higher efficiency, and less stress for your team. Now let's go one step further. Follow-up automation. Not every patient books immediately. Some patients need time, some get distracted, some simply forget. That doesn't mean they're not interested. It means they need a reminder. Imagine someone visits your website, starts booking, but never completes the process. Automation can follow up automatically. 1 day later, 3 days later, 1 week later, a simple reminder can bring them back. Many clinics generate additional appointments every month just from follow-up sequences. Because the money is often in the follow-up, not the first interaction. Now imagine your clinic operating like this every day. Calls are answered, messages receive instant responses, appointments get booked automatically, missed calls trigger recovery messages, patients receive confirmations, reminders reduce no-shows, follow-ups bring patients back. Meanwhile, your staff can focus on patients instead of repetitive administrative tasks. That's the real power of automation. It's not about replacing people, it's about eliminating bottlenecks. Let's talk numbers for a moment. Imagine your clinic misses just 5 potential patients every week. That's 20 per month, 240 per year. Now, calculate the average value of a patient. The numbers become shocking very quickly. Most clinics don't have a lead problem, they have a follow-up problem, they have a response problem, they have a systems problem, and systems problems can be fixed. The clinics winning today aren't necessarily the biggest clinics, they're the fastest clinics. The clinics that respond first, the clinics that follow up consistently, the clinics that remove friction, the clinics that make booking easy. Because speed creates trust, trust creates appointments, and appointments create revenue. So here's the question. How many patients did your clinic lose this week because nobody answered the phone? How many inquiries never received a reply? How many opportunities disappeared because the process was too slow? If you don't know, that's exactly why you need automation. And the best part, you don't need a huge team. You don't need advanced technical skills, and you don't need weeks of setup. You can start building this system today, and once it's running, it works for you around the clock. Even when your clinic is closed, even when your team is busy, even when you're sleeping. If you want help setting up this exact system for your dental clinic, comment AI below or check the link in the description, and I'll show you the complete workflow step by step, including missed call automation, auto booking, patient reminders, follow-ups, and everything you need to stop losing patients. Because every missed call is a missed opportunity, and every opportunity matters.